Me love the she-goat, but me prefer the round. So I want you to me style, I want you to me style. Remember little Johnny, we get on Wiley. Remember little Johnny, me that top celebrity. We come up here, I just sit down the party. Take it on. Well, Tristan, everywhere you're there now, I want you to come in at this now. Triston Palma, everywhere you're there, I want you to come in at this car. We have to show the people them versatility, you know. See, well, Tristan, anyway there. Oh yeah, bass alone. Oh yeah. So can I-L-O-O-you, I-L-O-O do you do, I-L-O-O-you, I-L-O-O do you do, how do you do? Oh, Mr. Man, you are a danger. And I would like to know you better. How about you tell me now I can come now? I-L-O-O-you, I-L-O-O, do you do with him? I-L-O-O-you, I-L-O-O, do how you do? Just you know how you do. Yeah man, some ragamuffin style tonight, see? Yeah. In the dance hall or in the party, in the town or in the country, every weekend we have to go a party. But the attack we go on the attack, and the attack we go on the attack, and the attack we go on the attack. Easy. Take it down. Easy. Let's understand when a man kind of know a Tristan and Little John. Yeah. Holy Pastor now get tonight, man. Yeah. Bobla get ready. Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm in business.
What you say about woman?
Bobla get ready. Get ready. Oh, yeah. Dancing time. Bubbling low. What's up, bubbling? Hey, what's up, bubbling? No, boy, what's up, bubbling? Hey, what's up, bubbling? Low. What's up, bubbling? So what's up, bubbling? Lord, what's up, bubbling? Oh, this is Tristan, and I'm attractive. Oh, this is Tristan, and I'm so dirty. Easy, man. Yeah, listen to me now. Yeah, when me I sing, me like the girls say, listen to me. Sing, yeah. Yeah, cause this is Tristan, and I'm attractive. Yes, this is Tristan, and I'm so active. And all the girls, them a rush me. In the bubbling, what's a bubbling? In the bubbling, oh, what's a bubbling? Bossy, tell me, are you ready? Bossy, tell me if you're ready. I met a girl the other day in a wet low pants and plastic shoes. Yeah, I met a little girl by the name of from where? From Kingston to Montego Bay. She said, well, little John, you want the king for reggae. She said, well, Tristan, you want the king for reggae. Me woman. Me woman. I met a girl the other day in a wet low pants and plastic shoes. Tristan, I want you to know. Oh, I want you to know. She just take a set. What do you come see? What do you want to dance on to now? What's your do? Take it from me, the girl that takes it from me. Take it from me, the girl that takes it from me. Invite her for a drink and she drink with me. Ask her for a dance. She dance with me. Girls like these, the ways are dirty. She's not a massive, she's a liability. Takes it from me, the girl that takes it from me. Takes it from me, she not ready. do what we are walk and we do what we are talk. Cause me so sharp and she so tough. Me go ram up the dance hall, me go ram up the dance hall, me come in at the dance and me bubble in at this. There was a little channel in my missing at this. There was a Triston in my missing at. So me be your bad birthday to all of the posse. Me go lick it in a style. Come Triston, baby, when you bubble in at this. Lord, little channel when you bubble in at.
You see right now, me never come to stay too long. See, well hear this one now. Ever ready, set, steady.
Yeah.
Lord have mercy on you. Just ready at the new style. Just ready at the new style. I wait to find it to rotate to ready. Me and the DJs with the new style. The party. Just ready at the new style. Just ready at the new style. The uptown posse. Just ready. Go on, downtown posse. Just ready. Easy, 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 easy. My manners. The Jamaican posse.
I'm trash already, man. Never trash.
What is
Never
that?
trash.
Mr. The Jamaican posse. Ever ready? Set, steady.
Never trash.
Steady. Lord of mercy. Oh, yeah. Good.
Yeah. Public style.
And the dance song. I saw we have many dance at all, you know. And them style of region. So ragamuffin style. We didn't have pretty boy business now. Pretty boy fly. Them days are done. Yeah.
If I were trying that, she would have left the young me and sell a buffet, she would have sell a TV and go pass it, she have been pray to me and so well little child you in a category, come get it all over baby girl, all over me and all over baby girl, and if you love me back forward, if you take it down low, you're not gonna stop like this now,
And if you love it enough nice knees, wow.
yeah.
Enough so little job.
7 minutes.
So little job.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Come catch it, bubbly style, come catch it, bubbly style. Jumpy style, come catch it, jumpy style. Bubbly style, come catch it. Everybody, come catch it, bubbly style, come catch it, bubbly style. Well, jump and go, exercise your body. Jump and go, exercise your body. Remember, little children, give them in the style. Say jump and go, exercise your body. Remember, sister, children, give them in the style. We call it ready, ready, me say the girl already in. Ready, ready, me say the girl already in. The Marisha, I was in them, who was your ballet. And if she come back, the land, I put it in again. And if she come back, the land, I bet she would have. So take a seat, she's not be your take a seat, take a seat, she's not be your take a seat, take a seat. Why you take a seat? Wow.
Lots of people keep on their feet while the rappers keep on playing.
Yeah.
Entertainment is a form of enjoyment. No matter fighting at the stage show, we got the young the same. No matter fighting at the stage show, while the music plays and the hijinks counting, the sister dancing in the sea on. I dance with me woman, in the dance hall, in the party, in the town, in the country, every weekend. Oh, a party cause on the other we go on the other we go on. Watch it, easy. Hear me now, so hear me now, start. You come on this a dance that to make it no more. Buy your the show. Yeah. Reggae, reggae, wine. Take up in the session tonight. Hello Josephine, how do you do? Do you remember me, my baby? As I remember, we used to walk and talk, and I used to hold her, and I used to take her from school, bring her to the stage, so hello Josephine, so how do you do? Do you remember me, my baby? Remember me, baby, and I remember, come on, everybody, come on. I said choo reggae, choo reggae, but they come in the session tonight. Come now again, choo reggae, choo reggae, but they come in the session. Well, if you know your song.
I don't know when I go call him now, you know, but when I see him, when I decide. I went there.
Yeah. One day I must get big enough. There's some people that say, him so big, one day I must get big. How you feeling? It's a joy to be here, you know, because you don't know we are celebrating Mr. Isaac, you know. Liquor John alongside him brother Triston Palma. Tristan, where you there?
I'm there, yeah.
Oh, me check say it over there. Go right now the song. Yeah. What am I tell you? Only famous, I hear the one corner, one part around the song. Yeah, man, but people remember Dancehall Tuesday. Yeah, I say Dancehall Thursday. Dancehall Thursday. Oh, remember this? Oh, remember? Sing it with me then. Me sing, say what you say, and do what you do. Come on, my people, sing. Cause I've got something, baby. Sing out now. Money can buy. Because I told the people I cannot sing. Oh, yeah. I love this little girl.
Triston Palma in the house.
Yes.
You see him? If always no problem with the man, him. See? Hear me say now. True believer in love. I want the old one. Word to know that I'm a true believer in love. Yet nothing's gonna change me now.
You know nothing more than it. Look! A lonely crowd and a bus had to work and they dreaming. If I don't know I'm singing of people, look! The guy next to me and a woman in his arms.
Yo, joking on me. See it? Joking on me. Now I remember that night I met you. When you say that we were never apart, now you're leaving, taking another, leaving me standing. Now it's a broken heart.
Tristan, where do you think you're loving more than me? And then you look at him and telling people, find yourself another girl who will love you too. Find yourself another girl, saving love and kisses just for you. Saving love and kisses. Look here, come and say massive, are you ready?
Oh, dash show that. That show that. Are you ready? We call this dancehall style scene. Watch it. Pick it up. Seems like the sun, it doesn't shine for me, because I'm trying to be free. Freedom is a must, I know, no matter how it comes and goes, because I read these things in prophecy. So when the rain stops falling down and we got no water, what you gonna do? And when the stars stop fire, red dot.
You think of that? All the while, coming on me yard, one like she big and she. Well, hey girl, I want you to know, and me are the one of it. Y'all pick me with that video, if you never stop me coming.
Pick it up, what is that for? Don't stop it, pick it up. What do you say, rewind? Pick it up. Watch me now. Down in my own town, bad boy. Wow!
Tristan, you're a liar. Hey, you know, hey, what up, stop that, what up? You know, say no respect Sugar Minot. See him with him. You know, you respect Sugar Minot. We can't do and sing nothing to Godfather. You were Sugar Minot to that say no. When Sugar Minot to that say Tristan, one day, money. You were Sugar that say Pandis. Hear me no soup, hear me no sign. Come on, this a dance, don't make no one. Just buy off. You better buy off. Look here. I see you dancing, you romancing. What you have to
Hold up. Keep it on, don't stop it. I pull me out. More than one woman in my life. Every one of them will fight to be my wife. Watch me. Well, if they could take their respective place, everything would have be alright. So don't rush me, girl. Say don't rush me, girl. No matter come.
Tristan, voila, stop that. Voila, Tristan, move front, move it. Voila, then I'm gonna do. Move on one of my songs.
Hold on there.
Move on one of my songs.
Hold on there.
Tristan,
Hold on.
we're singing one of our songs. Our song now.
Hold on.
Original.
Hold on. I want you to talk to the youth right now. You might get hurt. Run it.
And hey, only a ninja can kill a ninja. Who remember that one, yeah? Look here. Well, I'm a laughing, I'm full of words. Tristan, I hate to make me start singing. Let's let me done sing this. Tell me play your bad song, fantasy. Remember? Look here. Well, I'm a laughing, I'm full of words. Treating us so good. I should put my heart and make me cry. But can they rule and that's why?
True confession.
You can read a story, read it in the magazine. And then all of a sudden when she goes on, and she still won't listen to me. But when I call her up, the girl apologize. They say she lovely kitchen indeed. But I'm afraid that till the rest of life. Cause I want to hear the style. Listen to the style. Lord, I know she wouldn't listen to me.
Come on now. It's for me to show you. Stop that. It's for me to show you. You pull me out in a brother.
They don't must have me alone can't try.
You draw me.
I'm going me alone can't try you, sister.
Lots of people keep on dancing. entertainment. It's a form of enjoyment. No matter what you know, they dance. We gon' be enjoy. We say, we gon' be enjoy. Hold on there.
Hold on. We can't move to that set. We can't move to that set. Look. I wonder if one day that you say that you care. If you say you love me madly, I'll gladly.
I tell you all the while. I keep it low. I tell you all the while, you know, woman problem, you know. You never tell the girls that now. Now I remember that night I met you. When he said that we will never part. Hold on now. Take it down. Take it down. You think that me a go now? Lovers, hear this. Now you can dance, evidence for the guy who gives you the eye, let them hold you tight. You can smile, and the smile for the man who held your hand beneath the pedal more light. But don't forget who's taking you home, and in whose arms you're gonna be. Sing out! So darling, say the last dance.
Tristan, stop it. You go back to original again.
You know me done.
No, don't move. Original again. What me get all over me? What me get all remember this? Remember? What do you say? Look here. Don't take it all over me. What me get all over me? What me get all over me? Look here. What do you mix there? Don't take it all over me, the girl, all over me. All over me, the girl, all over me. She no ramp with me back at the strictly me belly. In a debate, I feel take a diety. A little turn up on a sexy body. You say me now, girl, can't find me. You say me now, girl. Don't me say myself, are you ready? No, Tristan, that's unfair. And what? Next time if we come off, how are we gone?
Wanna see how them are gonna make a crowd stone me? Music nicey.